In this video, I will be talking about the blockchain secrets. Blockchain secrets? Blockchains are digital ledgers and can be formally defined as a continuously growing list of records that are linked tougher and secured using advanced cryptography. In more simple terms, a blockchain is literally a chain of blocks. Each record in the list of a blockchain's chain is called a block that contains specific types and pieces of information. Each block will usually include some sort of pointer as a link to the previous block, transaction data, and a timestamp, which can take a variety of forms. Money. Cryptocurrency. How did cryptocurrencies develop? Cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and stocks. Blockchains. Different industries that use blockchain technology. Adding value to your business. Supply chain management and blockchain. Blockchain technology and quality assurance. All part of the blockchain. Blockchain technology is merely a way to keep track of any money or trading exchanges you engage in online. You can think of it like an accountant who keeps track of all the money that you spend. Currently, blockchain technology is mostly used to handle blockchain secrets 25 any type of situation that deals with cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. Let's consider the following example. Now if you want to learn the secrets, click on the link below where you can find the blockchain secrets, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe at the Digital Project 1 TV.